So what we want is a sphere, triangle, or a rectangle, or whatever you prefer. You can draw it out and use it to make this puzzle. To do this, what we want to do is, once you have it drawn, we're going to go into top view. You can use your box here to go to top view, or you can go to view and select top. So I have top view. I have my 3 pieces, or you 1 piece, doesn't matter. What I want you guys to do is, right next to it, just do a 2D sketch of the object. So this is a square. You draw it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, exactly what you had. Now, since I know what size I used, that's not the size. You can roughly figure that out. So this one's that. This is this, and this is this. And what you gotta do is we're gonna use spline because that's the most creative shapes you get. So what you're gonna do is use spline and just draw 3. Make sure my ortho is on. That way, it's a line doesn't move off the Z coordinate somewhere. And we'll move it up too, so it cuts right through the objects. Now, if I scroll around, you guys can see that it's cutting it right through the objects. Again, my sketches are left behind because I have the del object set at 0. Just a reference. Do I need to go through del objects? Yes? Oh, alright. So, what we're going to do next is, once you have these extruded, these surfaces on your item, you're going to go to Modify, 3D Operations, Slice. Now, the only hectic part about this is, once you're into this command, you have to slice each surface by itself. You can't select all of them at once. At least I think you can. You can test it out. So I select a circle. That's what I want to be sliced. I'm going to be slicing that circle. Click Enter, and I'm going to type in S for surfaces, or surface. Doesn't give you the option for surfaces. So surface, and then you just got to select. Yeah, you can only select one. Select so I select the sphere, space, S for surface, select the surface, Enter. Because when I click Enter, it says select the objects to keep, and it's set at both, so I'm keeping both sides. And my circle is actually cut. You can see it's 2 pieces. It's cut by this piece right here. So I delete that. Next one I'm going to do slice again, typing it in this time. Make sure that you just don't select one piece, you select the whole item. So if make that easy to do, all you have to do is do a blue box. Just make sure you get the whole object but not your lines. So you select the box, sphere, or whatever shape you have, and you click Enter, type in S for surface, and you select your next surface. Click Enter, Enter. It's cutting 2 pieces now. That's why it was asking me twice. Select objects to keep. Both. Twice. So it's recording. Great. Alright. So I'm going to delete that one. Did that one. You can see the cut. I think you guys can see. If you guys can't, let me just change this color. There you go. That. I'm going to cut it right here too. So I have actually 4 pieces. I'm going to go to Slice again. Select the object, Enter, S for surface, and select my last piece. There we go. Now I have 3 more pieces, actually. Red, green, and there's my blue. So I have this. I can leave it as it is. I have this cool puzzle I have to put together. Or I can still cut it one more time from the side. So right now it's pretty easy. First I would do the same thing with the triangle and the square, but it's kind of easy. So I can use the exact same shape, or I can go to a, let's say, front view. I'm going to move this circle away. And I'm going to do the same thing like I did before from the top view. Draw a circle that's in comparison to size, and draw a couple